cases of Pepsi Diet. Daming soft drinks. Ayan na. Aray ko. Oh, Dr. Pepper. Gumagalaw. Oh, tandang hulog yung iba. Vanilla Porto. Gumagalaw to. Ang dami na naman nating soft drinks. Oh. Yung iba walang laman. Yeah, there's more. Like 3 more. Yung iba ay bukas. Kailangan mag-apura at baka maabutan tayo ng lespo. So I can put it there. Ang dami. Grabing dami. Ito bukas. This one is open. On top. Beer. Ayan, open yata. Ayan. Ayan. May mountain orange. Yung iba dito ay open. Ayan, mga open. Walang laman. May bacon. There's a lot of
gallon of
that's why it's heavy. There's 2 more in here. Mystery bag. Hindi na mystery. Kaya ang bigat. Ayan. May iced tea. Ayan. Ngayon kaya na. Ayan yung ating mystery bag. It's right there. More bacon. Looks like this one has something in it. Okay, mystery bag. Another mystery bag. It's empty. Ruby to sin. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Or underwear. Look at that.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's it with that.